Yung bahay na ito. Wow! Ito ay binlog ko way back mga 4 months ago. At ngayon buo na siya. Panoorin natin. Ngayon sa Antel Grand Village. At ipapakita na natin ngayon ito ang ating finished project. Dito po sa Antel Grand Village, particularly in Grand Meadows. But before we start, our house owner, thank you so much to the owner nito. Nagbigay sa atin ng access na ma-film ito pong property na buo po natin, no? Ito laging sinasabi natin, no? We're not just building a house or a unit, but we are fulfilling a dream ng isang brothers and sisters natin na nangangarap pagkaroon ng isang magandang dwelling place. Well, today, ito pong ating i-feature ay very special because ito ay lot owner natin dito sa Antel Grand Village. Yung sukat ng lote nila ay 80 square meters. Then the floor area nito ay hanggang 3rd level, so 120 plus square meters ang floor area. So it has 4 rooms and a covered car garage. Ang ganda ng design nito, guys. This is less than 5 million pesos house cost. Then, we process also the bank financing nito. Alright, so panoorin natin ang aming finished project dito po sa Antel Grand Village. This is one of our finished project, but mayroon tayo ditong several projects na i-film at nabubuo na. So maraming salamat po sa inyo pong pagtitiwala at pagbibigay ng access sa amin na maging vessel ng pangarap na mabuo. Alright. Okay, so now you have, this is the car garage area. So it's a covered, of course, Nansky. Then you have a service area and ilanay, of course, is sliding door. Then dito sa harapan, mayroon ditong space. Ayan, pwedeng mag-landscape, intended talaga for green. And of course, very tall yung bahay natin na abot nito yung pinaka-maximum height restriction dito po sa ating deed of restrictions. Then you have the porch dito sa harapan. Then the main door. Right? Kung gusto niyo magpagawa ng bahay, message us today dahil exciting kami. Baka maubos natin yung buhangin mula sa Pampanga. Alright. Wow. Pagpasok mo, so your stairs papunta sa taas and the room and then of course the living area. Of course, you have a shower, bathroom doon po sa kabilang side. Then you have a modular cabinet sa kitchen. Of course, you have a range wood and then the hanging cabinet. Ang ganda ng finish. Then dito sa ilalim, you have a cabinet. Right. So ito yung ginagawa natin, no? We're not just building a house, but we are fulfilling a dream ng ating brothers and sisters. And your simple living area. Imagine, lot area of 80 square meters. Then dito sa side na to, so you have the bathroom area. So, ang maganda dito, ayan, na-maximize mabuti ang lot area. Of course, dito sa side na to, you have the skylight feature. Ayan, may ilaw. Of course, meron pa siyang natural light. Then you have a wash area, water closet, and ganito na yung ating fixtures, mga modern fittings, and provisions for the water heater. That look nice. Imagine, no? Hindi tayo aakala na the 80 square meters ay magiging ganito gaganda siya. Look at that. Of course, dito sa side nito, you have a sliding glass door and then papunta dito sa parking area and the service area. Look. Alright. Kung nagustuhan niyo ating video today, give us like, comment, share sa inyong immediate, extended, and large family looking at property here in the Philippines. Itong fini-feature natin ngayon, no, lot owner namin po ito. So, kung magpagawa kayo ng sariling design, guys, message us. We will do our very best na mabigay yung satisfaction ng atin pong client. So, dito sa ibaba, by the way, mayroon kang isang room and then may exhaust. Of course, storage area. So, pwede siyang den. Alright, small den. And then, understairs. May ilaw din dito, guys. Right. This is less than 5 million pesos, the house cost. Right. Ang ganda ng kisame. Tingnan mo naman. Then, akit tayo sa itaas. Alright, the stairs. So, wood plank. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng ating handles at saka railings. Ayan. Modern. Then, dito sa side na to. Alright, tingnan natin guys. Alright. Okay, this is the second floor. Wow. So dito you have a common bathroom and 2 rooms. And look at the ceiling design, oh. Ayan. Malinis at ang gandang tingnan. Wow. Diba? Of course, mayroon pang mga ibang sockets here dito. Hindi pa tapos. Ayan. So, tingnan natin dito guys. This is the common bathroom. Alright, the common bathroom. Provisions for the water heater. Beautiful bathroom tiles from floor to ceiling. I have a modern water closet and a vanity and then a wash area. Of course, you have provisions para sa ilaw and then mga hair blower. Of course, you have a window and with bidet. Kaya shout out po sa lahat ng gustong magpagawa ng bahay, mag-message ka na. Oh, ayan. Alright? Ang ganda talaga mag-house tour ng magagandang houses. So, ito yung second room. So, you have a cabinet. Then, beautiful baseboard. Then, beautiful ceiling design. Look at that, guys. Nice and bright. Okay. Then, yung pinto natin is mahogany. Ayan, solid wood. Then, dito sa side ito, the master bedroom area. Wow, look at the master bedroom. Spacious. Of course, beautiful floor tiles. Meron siyang air conditioning unit and modern ceiling design. Okay, kasya dito isang king size bed or a California king bed. So dito sa side ito, you have a cabinet, a storage. Of course, this is the storage, floor to ceiling storage. And then right here, ang ganda rin ng mga mga royo natin ng mga switches. This is the master bedroom bathroom. Wow, look. Nice, right? Wow, ang ganda rin ito. Oh. Okay. Right, the shower, of course. Ayan, mga modern. And this is it. Then, dito sa master bedroom area, by the way, we have 3 revisions bago po ang construction ng bahay. So, dito po sa Antel Grand Village, before po tayo magtanggap ng contract. So, meron tayong 3 revisions para sa ating magiging plano ng bahay. Alright, naka-AutoCAD. Then, of course, we have our engineers and architect. Mag-render tayo ng the best rendition. Of course, nandun yung satisfaction ng atin pong dreamer. Alright. So, imagine, ang ganda ng balcony dito. From the master bedroom, yeah, it's a huge house. Look at that. Ayan, meron pang balcony. Mayroon pa siyang roof deck. And then the natural stones. Wow. Ang ganda. Right. Look at the balcony, oh. See? Perfect. Then, this is a morning sun, no? Wow. The master bedroom. Okay, so tingnan natin sa the last level, the third level, the roof deck area. And of course, dito sa taas, you have additional room and a washroom, wash area. Wow. Wow, as in wow. Look. Thank you so much sa seller natin from Singapore. Ay, buyer, no? From the Singapore. Client. From Singapore, okay? Floor to ceiling cabinet. You have the room. Additional door dito sa side na to. Di ba, punta dito sa wash area. Dito, ikutan natin yan. Okay, dito tayo papasok. Wow. Pahingahan. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys, no? Wow, makita mo yung mga Ferris wheel doon sa taas. And then yung neighborhood. So this is the last bedroom. So you have beautiful ceiling design. Of course, yung mga lights. Wow. Look. And a sliding glass with a screen. See? So ginawa naman yung bahay na to like almost 8 months. It's more than 8 months. So ito yung pinaka wow, roof deck area, then the wash area. Tamang-tamang area mag-chill. At the parapet, hindi ka delikado because mataas. Ayan, mataas yung parapet niya, guys. Ang ganda. Ito yung ideal kasi kung may mga bata. No, hindi ka mangangamba na tatalon, mahuhulog. But look, the parapet. And then you have your kitchen over here. Or service kitchen. Diba? Ang ganda. Of course, nakita yung mga floor drains. Ayan na siya. Then dito sa side na to, ito yung pinto, papunta dun sa baba. Of course, a room and then the storage area. Perfect. Alright. Alright, bababa tayo, no? Para to make sure makita niyo yung flow ng layout ng property at atin po siyang i-bird's eyes view. Alright. Alright. Nice. Perfect. Wow, look. Diba? Napakasimple. Siya na. Alright. So, lalabas tayo, guys, no? Tingnan natin yung pinaka facade ng property. Now, this is the facade of the house, no? Alright, from the outside. So, basically, it has a lot area of 80 square meters. Floor area of 120 plus square meters, almost 130 plus. It has 3 levels with the roof deck. And of course, it has 4 rooms with CCTV. Functionality, ang ganda. Cabinets, ang ganda. The floor, of course, yung ating risers. Panalo. And then you have a covered car garage. So kung mayroon kayong mga lot sa dito sa Antal Grand Village at gusto niyo pong magpagawa sa amin ng design at building construction, either warehouse, shop house, malls, resorts, or a dwelling place, a swimming pool, or any other related when it comes to the construction, guys, message us today. No, thank you so much sa ating team. Of course, tuwan-tuwa ang seller na to, yung owner na to, because naabot nito yung kanyang expectation. No? Alright. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in our next video. Daghang salamat. I hope nag-enjoy kayo today. Very sa ating inspiration ulit, no? Bagong property na ating video view. Talaga namang magbibigay sa atin ng pagsisikap and additional magkaroon tayo ng self-esteem. Alright. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everyone.